Okay, journal entry number one. Well, I will have to start with my cycle planning, of course. For me, it was quite difficult. For me, it's had to try to project what we expect to do during this semester, because for me, life is unexpected, and I really don't have time like to have all planned, and I'm not that kind of person either. Is it is helpful in some way, but it's really hard to follow step by step or by word uh, the cycle planning. Also, that I have made some life choices in this semester that I have my mind completely occupied. So I have to improvise a little bit and try to readjust every week what I have to do. The only thing that I have in mind for the whole unit during my ELA process was the task. That is, for me, it was really confusing because, first of all, I thought, at the beginning, I thought that is going to be an exploratory practice. So I have in mind, when I was researching and observing my ELAB, I had in mind like the EP and the puzzles and the understanding process and all of that. Then it had changed to an action research, and it ended up being a literature review. So what's really confusing trying to accomplish that, and even though I have like a plan to do it, I have to do it like in the last week or the last 2 weeks before delivering the task. So maybe we should keep that in mind for future units. And regarding the task itself, well, I did like not good, not bad. I think I had some problems in language structure uh, that came from my interference with language one, which is Spanish. That is why I think that my sentences sometimes are a little weird or funny, a little odd. And I have problems with prepositions. Prepositions. There is it seems that is like a whole generation problem because we're now like trying to improve that. About the teaching, well, I love the grammar lessons in this unit. I think they're helpful, and I kept that in mind when I was writing. So I think that I was able to internalize it in a good manner. And the writing workshops, I love them because it's different. When I do a task or an essay, I used to rely on my computer a lot, and it's really different when you have to handwrite something. Because of course, when you handwrite, Word, Microsoft Word is not there to correct you or to highlight if you made a mistake. So it's more easy to commit mistakes or errors when you're handwriting, and having feedback right away for that was, for me, was good. Even though that we don't have time enough time to correct all of our work. I think that. And regarding teaching, well, for me, I'm missing the discussions here because, well, it was so focused on, oh, what that is my perception at least. They was so focused on grammar and how we write, or yeah, how we write or how we wrote, that I miss the discussions of the themes of what we thought about it, if we agree with the author or not. I miss that type of discussions, and I will use that if I were going to perform or develop this unit or this topic. Also, that I think that we waste too much time in exploratory practice if we weren't going to use it on the task. That is why it was confusing, because we spent like 3 quarters of this unit talking about EP, and then we changed to AR like in the last 3 or 2 weeks. So I will keep that in mind. So to summarize, I have to improve my language structure when writing, and of course, I think when I speak, you will notice that now. Uh, Try to wipe out of my head my R1, so there is no interference, and watch out my prepositions. Uh, I have to continue to work on grammar because for me it's difficult, and well, I will use more discussions when dealing with these kind of topics. So thank you. That will be all. I hope you understand my voice because I'm kind of have a rough voice. Thank you.